Thanks, Eileen. It's JT Ippolito for Sync Media Network. We're here at the National Hardware Show in Las Vegas 2018, and we're showing you all the latest and greatest products. And this product here is really smart for anybody our age to save your back. It has multiple wheels. And first name, Blythe, is going to be kind enough to give you a live demonstration of it to show how us old people's cannot get hurt. Look at that, because it pivots on three wheels. Keep going.
Thanks, boss.
Oh, there's more.
There's more.
It's like an Apple presentation. And look at how small it wraps up. So this is a great product, especially because we know how hard it is to yank up anything on stairs. And if you ever watch somebody put a refrigerator in, there's always a problem with that. So make sure you stop at their booth. It's called Upcart. And we want to thank Blake. Oh, it comes in multiple sizes too. Very smart. Oh, and there's a video in the background too. Look at that, moving a heavy speaker. Upcart.com. And we want to thank Blythe for her excellent demonstration ability. Upcart.com. Thanks, Blythe. Appreciate it. We'll send it back to you in the studio. It's JT Ippolito for Sync Media Network.